How to remove Telegram in iPhone. If you have been using the Telegram application and now you want to remove or delete the app for some reasons and you don't know how to do it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, locate the application on your mobile phone, just like this. Then here you can find Telegram app, just right here. Now to remove it, simply keep on tapping on it, just like this. Then here you can find the remove app option right here. Tap on it. And after that, here you can find delete app right here. Now simply select it. Now deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. Now simply tap on the delete button right here and confirm it, just like this. And now you can see the Telegram has been removed from this iPhone. And that's it. This is how you can remove the Telegram app on your iPhone. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.